Your car has been hiding functions from you since the day you drove it off the lot, and most of them are sitting in plain sight right now. You've probably paid for repairs, scanner fees, and accessories over the years without ever knowing your car already had a built-in fix the whole time. That's a real waste of money you didn't need to spend, and it's the kind of mistake that keeps happening quietly for as long as you own the car. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what your car has been hiding and why so few owners ever find out. Stick around for number 1, because it's the kind of feature that changes how you load groceries for the rest of the time you own the car. Number 9 is the small slider sitting on the pillar between your doors, and most drivers have never touched it in their life. That slider adjusts the height of your seatbelt across your chest, and getting it wrong isn't a small detail, it's a genuine safety risk you're carrying on every single drive. A belt sitting across your neck instead of your shoulder can cause serious injury in a crash instead of protecting you, because it's no longer spreading force the way it was engineered to. Shorter and taller drivers are affected the most, since the factory default rarely fits everyone the same way, and every driver in your household has a different ideal height. Skipping this costs you nothing to fix and everything to ignore if the worst ever happens. Number 8 lives inside your driver's door jamb, and getting this one wrong is quietly draining your wallet every single month without sending you a warning. The number printed on your tire sidewall is the tire's maximum rating, not the pressure your specific car actually needs, and inflating to that number gives you a harsher ride, worse grip, and uneven where that shortens the life of tires you already paid full price for. The correct number sits on a sticker inside your door jamb, calculated specifically for your vehicle by the manufacturer, not by whoever made your tires. Underinflated tires overheat and burn through your fuel economy without you noticing, while overinflated tires bounce and lose grip exactly when you need traction most. A $5 gauge kept in your glove box turns this into a 2-minute habit instead of a guessing game. Checking the wrong number is a mistake that costs you real money every single time you fill up. Number 7 is a feature most owners assume is purely decorative, and ignoring it has triggered real, documented safety consequences across the industry. Those small hooks under your floor mat exist specifically to lock the mat in place, and skipping them is not the minor oversight most people treat it as. In 2009, Toyota recalled 3.8 million vehicles in the United States after unsecured floor mats slid forward and trapped the accelerator pedal, a defect linked to fatal crashes and one of the largest safety recalls in automotive history. Aftermarket all-weather mats often skip the hook system entirely, which makes checking this even more important if you've swapped your factory mats. An unsecured mat can bunch up over your gas or brake pedal in exactly the moment you need full control of your car. It takes seconds to secure properly, and it prevents a genuine disaster instead of just a minor inconvenience. Number 6 is that faded pattern of black dots along the edge of your windshield that you've stared at 1,000 times without ever asking why it's there. It's called the frit band, and it blocks UV rays from breaking down the adhesive holding your entire windshield in place while easing the visual strain between the dark border and the clear glass. Every windshield replacement has to reproduce this exact pattern, which is one reason a cheap aftermarket glass job can look and perform slightly worse than factory original. A mismatched frit band after a repair can be a sign of a lower quality job that won't hold up over years of heat and cold cycling. If you've had your windshield replaced after a crack, it's worth checking this detail before you assume the shop did the job right the first time. Number 5 is buried in your infotainment menu, quietly costing you attention every single time it starts to rain. Most cars let you adjust rain sensor sensitivity through a menu screen or a small dial near the steering column, but almost nobody ever explores it. Left on the default setting, your wipers either swipe frantically during a light drizzle or fall completely behind in a real downpour, and neither one is doing your visibility any favors on a wet road. An optical sensor is already detecting raindrop size and frequency automatically, but the sensitivity threshold itself is something you're allowed to fine-tune for your own driving. Tuning it once means your wipers stop guessing, and revisiting the settings seasonally keeps it accurate as light spring drizzle turns into heavy summer downpours. Number 4 is the instinct almost every driver gets completely backwards the moment their windshield fogs up in the rain. Cranking the heat and leaving recirculation on traps the same damp cabin air right where it started, which only feeds the fog instead of solving it. Fog is just cabin humidity condensing on cold glass, and recirculating that same moist air keeps the problem trapped inside your car with you. Turning recirculation off and running the AC, even in cold weather, pulls in drier outside air and clears the moisture that's actually causing the fog in a fraction of the time. This same trick works on your side windows too, so a fogged-up passenger window during a rainy commute gets fixed the exact same way. Number 3 is hiding in your pocket right now, and it's capable of far more than simply locking and unlocking your doors. Nearly every key fob has a physical backup key tucked inside it, released by a small latch on the side, which means a dead fob battery doesn't have to mean an expensive locksmith call that can run well past $150. Holding the unlock button on plenty of models rolls every window down automatically to release trapped heat before you even open the door on a hot day. If your fob signal feels weak across a large parking lot, holding it against your head can genuinely extend its range, since the water in your skull acts as a conductor for the signal, and it sounds ridiculous until you actually try it. Most owners never test any of these functions, and a 5-minute test today is cheaper than a locksmith call later. Number 2 turns your car into its own diagnostic tool the moment a warning light appears on your dash and your stomach drops. Your check engine light usually sends drivers straight to a shop and straight into a diagnostic fee that can run well over $100 just to find out what's actually wrong. A port tucked under your dashboard near the steering column accepts a plug-in scanner that costs as little as $15 to $25 and pulls the exact trouble code a mechanic would pull in seconds, often paired with a free phone app that explains what it means in plain language. Some auto parts stores will even read the code for free if you don't want to own a scanner yourself. Paying full diagnostic price for information your car will hand you for free is a mistake that adds up fast over the years you own it. And number 1 is the feature so convenient you'll wonder how you ever managed without it, hiding right under your rear bumper. On many newer vehicles, a simple kicking motion under the bumper pops your trunk open automatically as long as your fob is in your pocket or bag, no hands required at all. The sensor is tuned specifically to detect that kicking motion so it won't trigger from a stray shopping cart or a curious dog sniffing around your bumper in a parking lot. Most owners never discover this feature exists until they accidentally trip it walking too close to the back of their own car. Some systems even let you close the trunk the exact same way, so your hands never have to touch anything at all. Once you've used it a handful of times with your arms full of groceries, reaching for a physical button starts to feel like a genuine step backward. You now know 9 functions your car has been hiding in plain sight, and every single one of them costs you nothing to check today. Ignore them and you're leaving safety, money, and convenience sitting on the table without ever realizing it's there. If this saved you a repair bill, a locksmith call, or a stressful moment on the road, your car has more secrets waiting to be found, and the next video